Chapter 4: Food of Animals. Introduction. All animals need food to live and grow. They also feel hungry. Different animals eat different kinds of foods. Plant-eating animals. Some animals like cow, goat and horse eat the leaves of plants and grass. Such animals are called plant-eating animals. Flesh-eating animals. Some animals such as lion, tiger and cheetah eat the flesh of other animals. They are called flesh-eating animals. Some animals such as bear and crow eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Grain-eating animals. Some animals such as sparrow, squirrel, pigeons, etc. eat grains and seeds.